Hey there, welcome to Philosophy 390, Gender Studies 390 for this fall 2020 semester. My name is Brian Smith, and I am very delighted and honored to be the professor for this online course. Basically, if you're watching this, you must be in Blackboard and have figured a few things out. No doubt it's fairly easy, but nonetheless, there's a few things that you might want to see there. I think it's on the Start Here page. There's a number of things, about 5 things you might want to attend to before really getting into the course. They're fairly easy things, so they include like looking at the syllabus, just going over that, seeing if you have any questions. If you do, get in touch with me. There's a very short little quiz you're supposed to do on the syllabus. It's unbelievably easy. Just an administrative thing. It's like an attendance verification thing. So anyway, you just got to do that anyways. It won't take you but a minute. And you got to do that by Friday. So that's one of the other things. Another thing you should be doing is getting set up on a website called Flipgrid. Maybe you've used this before. Maybe not. It's basically just a platform for video-based discussion. Basically, we all record short videos of ourselves. So rather than typing on a discussion board, which is very kind of dry and boring, it's just a little bit more lively, a little bit more real, I suppose. It's not quite as good, I think, as, of course, an actual discussion in real time, but this being an online course, it is technically all asynchronous. So it may be the best we can do. Anyways, it should be fine. So you get set up there. We'll have what's called a grid there for the course, and basically week by week there'll be discussions, and you can post each week there and see everybody else. And it usually goes fairly well. Otherwise, there's not too much in terms of getting set up. You can kind of plunge right in. You can go to the course overview link on the left-hand side in Blackboard. There you'll see, well, actually, you'll only see probably one folder. It says week 1. You click on that, and there's a bunch of stuff in there, the readings and so on, assignments, all the things that you might need to know, and so on. As the course progresses throughout the semester, more and more folders will get added or will start appearing on that course overview link. According to the syllabus. You'll know what's coming. But anyways, get started with that basically. You can get yourself introduced. If you get set up on Flipgrid, introduce yourself. Very soon, in the next couple of days, will be the link for the first week's kind of discussion there. Everything else will start falling into place soon enough, and hopefully it's going to be a great course. If you have any questions, any concerns, any suggestions in particular, those are great, just let me know. Just shoot me an email or whatever. Yeah, we'll take it from there. I think it's going to be a good course, so looking forward to it. But that's all for now.